Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best scrubbing pads is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools in any kitchen, transforming the daunting task of tackling stubborn grime and baked-on messes into a surprisingly satisfying chore, making them indispensable for maintaining a sparkling clean home without endless scrubbing. Number 5. Wet It. Skrubba 3-pack reusable dish scrubbers, Vogue. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. These innovative scrubbers are designed to tackle tough messes without ever scratching your precious surfaces. From delicate non-stick pans to granite countertops and even your car's exterior, they handle it all. You can confidently use them on nearly any household surface. Made with a cotton blend and an eco-friendly coating, these scrubbers are a sustainable choice. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals, just add liquid soap for sparkling results. Built to last up to 6 months with normal use, they offer exceptional value. When they need a refresh, simply toss them in your dishwasher or washing machine. Each set features unique, stylish patterns that add a touch of personality to your cleaning routine. Enjoy both functionality and aesthetic appeal in one product. What we like. This scrubber is designed for ultimate surface protection and versatility. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, reusable option that won't scratch delicate surfaces like non-stick pans or glass cooktops, this is your go-to. Its durable, washable design ensures long-lasting, safe cleaning for your entire home. What people say. Number 4. Heavy-duty green scour pads. Say goodbye to tough, stuck-on messes. These pads offer powerful, multi-purpose cleaning, making every scrubbing task easier and more effective. Crafted from the best quality carborundum and polyester, they are built to last. You'll find them in various package options, all in a distinctive green color. Maintaining them is incredibly simple. Just rinse them with water, or for ultimate convenience, drop them into your washing machine for a quick clean. Strong enough for heavy-duty tasks, yet flexible enough to access hard-to-reach areas. They are perfect for both commercial and household abrasive cleaning. Each pad measures 4 by 6 inches, fitting comfortably in your hand. This ergonomic design makes them easy to grasp, control, and more efficient for all your cleaning needs. Available in sets of 12, 20, with extra dishcloths, or 24 pieces. You can choose the perfect pack to ensure you always have a fresh pad ready. What we like. These pads offer serious scrubbing power for the toughest messes. If you frequently tackle stubborn, stuck-on grime and need a robust solution, these heavy-duty scrubbers are ideal. Their durable material and bulk packaging ensure you always have a powerful tool ready for any challenging cleaning task. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 3. Scouring Scrub Pad Singles with Foam. These versatile 2-in-1 scrub pads are designed to handle any cleaning challenge. They feature a soft wiping side for daily spills and a textured scrubbing side for stubborn grime. They effortlessly cut through grease on kitchen countertops, range hoods, sinks, and even outdoor grills. No mess is too tough for them to handle. Engineered with premium non-woven fabric, they deliver powerful cleaning without leaving a single mark. You can safely use them on non-stick cookware, glass stovetops, stainless steel, and delicate ceramics. Skip the messy dish soap. Their heavy-duty scrubbing layer comes preloaded with a concentrated, grease-fighting detergent that activates instantly with water. They rinse clean without irritating your hands or leaving chemical residue. Declutter your sink and save money with their innovative 3-layer design. They combine a tough scrubber, rich detergent, and soft wipe into one single pad. Say goodbye to smelly, bacteria-filled sponges. Designed for ultimate kitchen sanitation, simply use and replace them weekly for a fresh, clean home. What we like. This innovative pad simplifies your cleaning routine with its all-in-one design. If you're looking for ultimate convenience and hygiene, its built-in, water-activated soap and dual-sided functionality make it perfect. Just grab, wet, and clean, then replace weekly for a fresh, sanitary experience every time. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Holikme 6-pack Drill Brush Power Scrubber Kit. Introducing the Holikme 6-pack Drill Brush Power Scrubber Kit. This powerful set transforms your cleaning routine, making tough jobs simple and fast. It's designed to tackle a wide range of surfaces with ease. With 5 unique brush shapes, it cleans everything from bathtubs and grout to upholstery and carpets. Its durable nylon bristles are tough on dirt but gentle enough not to scratch your valuable surfaces. The included extended reach attachment helps you clean those hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. Tackle stove grates, drip pans, and car crevices with precision and power. It ensures no spot is left uncleaned. This kit also includes a dedicated brush perfect for car wheels and tires, ensuring a sparkling finish. Plus, the scratch brushes offer multiple uses around your home and garage. Please note, the connecting rod is 1/4 inch. Ensure your drill fits this size for optimal performance. Remember, your cordless drill is not included with this set. For even better results, we recommend using these brushes with your favorite cleaning products. If it doesn't fit your drill, contact customer service for a hassle-free return. What we like? This set transforms your drill into a powerful cleaning machine. If you have large areas or tough, set-in grime in your bathroom, kitchen, or even car, these drill brushes will save you time and effort. The various shapes and extended reach attachment ensure no corner or crevice is left uncleaned. What people say. Number 1. Pro-grade non-scratch scrubbing pads. These non-abrasive pads effortlessly remove dirt and grime. They are strong enough for tough messes, yet gentle enough to protect your delicate surfaces. Use them on vinyl, tile, steel, and other hard surfaces. Their strong yet flexible design allows them to reach tight corners, perfect for both home and commercial cleaning. Measuring 10 by 4.5 inches, they can be easily cut to any size. Keep them large for floors, or trim them for detailed cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Their bright white color ensures no discoloration on porous surfaces and won't fade. This also allows you to clearly see the dirt being removed as you clean. We stand by the quality of these pads with a no-nonsense lifetime satisfaction guarantee. If you're ever not completely happy, simply contact us, and we'll ensure it's made right. What we like? This versatile pad offers exceptional adaptability for all your cleaning needs. If you like to customize your tools or need a single solution for various surfaces, its large, cuttable design is perfect. Plus, with a lifetime guarantee, you can trust in its long-lasting, non-scratch performance for any household task. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.